Students, today we are going to study the second part of a bill of exchange. Last time we had studied as to what is a bill of exchange, why we are drawing a bill of exchange, why one trader draws a bill of exchange on another one, what is acceptance of the bill. Today we are going to study what is honor of a bill and how to draw a specimen of a bill of exchange. Everybody note that on the top, in the square or in the rectangle, we write bill of exchange. Then we have the stamp, drawer's name, drawer's address, date of bill drawn. Below the stamp, we have the amount in figures. After writing the amount in figures, under that, we start writing after date pay to Mr. or Messrs. Before after date period of bill will be mentioned. Then name and address of the payee or his order or her order, the sum of rupees dash, that is amount in words, only for the value received. Signature of the drawer, that is name of the drawer or signature of the drawer. Then we write drawee's name, drawee's address, the word accepted. The acceptance of the bill has to be done by the drawee. Then date of bill accepted also becomes very important. After drawing the specimen of a bill of exchange, we come to the types of acceptances. In the types of acceptance, we have two types of acceptances. A part is the general acceptance and B is qualified acceptance. What is general acceptance? When the drawee accepts the draft without any change or any condition, it is called a general acceptance. It is also known as unconditional acceptance. What the drawee does, he just writes down the word accepted on the bill and signs the bill, date of acceptance and gives back the bill to the drawer. कोई भी कंडीशन यहाँ पर अटैच नहीं की जाएगी, इस वजह से इसे कहा जाता है जनरल एक्सेप्टेंस और अनकंडीशनल एक्सेप्टेंस. बी is the qualified acceptance. When the drawee accepts the bill with certain qualifications or conditions to the order of the drawer, it is called qualified acceptance. यहाँ पर ड्रॉवी क्या करता है, कुछ कंडीशंस लगा देता है, कुछ क्वालिफिकेशंस लगा देता है बिल में, इस वजह से इसे कहा जाता है क्वालिफाइड एक्सेप्टेंस. अब किन टाइप्स के होंगे क्वालिफाइड एक्सेप्टेंस? नंबर 1, क्वालिफाइड एज टू टाइम. When the drawee accepts the bill subject to change in tenure or term of bill, it is known as qualified acceptance. As to time, यहाँ पर समय में चेंजेस कर दिए जाएंगे, टाइम में. सपोज फॉर एग्जाम्पल ड्रॉवर ड्रॉज अ 2 months bill, but drawee says that I am going to make the payment after 3 months. तो यहाँ पर उसने कंडीशन क्या लगाई कि यहाँ पर 2 महीने के बाद पेमेंट ना करते हुए मैं कब पेमेंट करूँगा? 3 महीने के बाद. तो यह कौन सा क्वालिफाइड एक्सेप्टेंस हुआ? दिस इज नोन एज क्वालिफाइड एक्सेप्टेंस as to time. Number 2, qualified acceptance as to place. When the drawee mentions that bill will be payable at a particular place only, it is known as qualified acceptance as to place. यहाँ पर दोनों के बीच में क्या हो जाता है, ड्रॉवर एक जगह पर बिल ड्रॉ करता है, सपोज मुंबई में उसने बिल ड्रॉ किया, लेकिन ड्रॉवी कहता है कि मैं यह बिल पूना में पेमेंट करूंगा, बिल का पेमेंट कहाँ करूंगा, पूना में। इस वजह से इसे क्या कहा जाएगा, हम क्वालिफाइड एक्सेप्टेंस एज टू प्लेस। क्वालिफाइड एक्सेप्टेंस एज टू अमाउंट, यहाँ पर क्या होगा, अमाउंट में चेंजेस कर देगा ड्रॉवी। ड्रॉवर एक अमाउंट के लिए बिल ड्रॉ किया करेगा, लेकिन ड्रॉवी एक्सेप्ट करेगा दूसरे अमाउंट के लिए। What acceptance it becomes? It becomes an acceptance qualified as to amount. When the drawee accepts the bill for a part of the amount of the bill, it is known as qualified as to amount. Suppose for example 25,000 के लिए बिल ड्रॉ किया ड्रॉवर ने, ड्रॉवी कहता है कि आई विल एक्सेप्ट द बिल ओनली फॉर ₹20,000। तो इस वजह से यह बिल कौन सा बिल हुआ, यह बिल है क्वालिफाइड बिल एज टू अमाउंट। तो व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंसेस, जनरल एक्सेप्टेंस एंड क्वालिफाइड एक्सेप्टेंस। बिना कोई कंडीशन के जब बिल एक्सेप्ट कर लिया जाएगा, इट विल बिकम अ जनरल एक्सेप्टेंस, बट इफ सम कंडीशंस आर अटैच्ड, अगर ड्रॉवी कोई कंडीशंस लगा देगा बिल में, तो इसे क्या कहेंगे हम, qualified acceptance. Number 1, qualified as to time. The drawee accepts the bill subject to change in time or term of the bill. Qualified as to place. The drawee mentions that bill will be payable at a particular place only. Qualified as to amount. The drawer draws a bill for a particular amount, but the drawee accepts the bill for a different amount, a lesser amount. It is known as qualified acceptance as to amount. This becomes very important, the format of a bill of exchange and the acceptance of a bill of exchange. Qualified acceptance as to parties. When the drawee is not ready to pay the amount of the bill to the payee named in the bill, it is known as qualified acceptance as to parties. ड्रॉवर ने बिल ड्रॉ किया, ड्रॉवर कहता है कि एक्स को यह पेमेंट करना, लेकिन ड्रॉवी कहता है कि मैं एक्स को यह पेमेंट नहीं करूंगा। तो यह कौन सा एक्सेप्टेंस हुआ, क्वालिफाइड एक्सेप्टेंस एज टू पार्टीज। Then last one is qualified as to condition. The drawee accepts the bill subject to certain conditions being fulfilled by the drawer. और बहुत सी कंडीशंस यहाँ पर लगा दी जाएगी। ड्रॉवी कहता है कि जो आपने बिल ड्रॉ किया है उसके साथ में आपको बहुत सी कंडीशंस फुलफिल करनी पड़ेगी, तभी मैं इसका पेमेंट करूँगा। तो यह कौन सा एक्सेप्टेंस हुआ, दिस एक्सेप्टेंस इज नोन एज क्वालिफाइड एक्सेप्टेंस एज टू कंडीशंस। The next part is how to draw a bill of exchange, how the bill of exchange will be drawn. That is general acceptance. In board exams, we have the format of a bill of exchange for 5 marks. Very important. Everybody has to draw this bill of exchange in their notebooks. Next time when we meet or when I am discussing, you have to make the notes properly. Everybody make a notebook properly and note down all the points what we have discussed in your notebook. And when we have the face-to-face lecture, then in that case we will discuss your problems and your questions. The first format of a bill of exchange. Everybody will get this question. In this question we have drawer Mr. Prakash Rao His address is 648 Coral Plaza, SB Road, Pune. Name and address of drawer is given. Drawee's name and address: Mr. Rahul Dev, 236 Rajapur Road, Jalgaon. Amount of the bill is rupees 44,500. Tenure or term of the bill is 3 months. Date of bill is 3rd June 2019. Date of acceptance is 7th June 2019. Everybody can see the problem here. Now how to draw the format? Take your notebook, draw a rectangle, a big rectangle you have to draw. On the top you have to write down bill of exchange, beginning with stamp. Then name and address of the drawer: Mr. Prakash Rao, 648A Coral Plaza, SB Road, Pune, dated 3rd June 2019. Amount of bill in figures is rupees 44,500. In bracket, you will write down a small rectangle. Then below the amount, leaving some space. What is the period of the bill? 3 months after date, pay to me or my order the sum of rupees 44,500 only for the value received. SD Prakash Rao. To whom it is addressed? That is the drawee's name and address. To Rahul Dev, 236 Rajapur Road, Jalgaon. Who will accept the bill? SD, signature of the drawee or the name of the drawee. In bracket, you will write down Mr. Rahul Dev. What is the date of acceptance? Very important, 7 June 2019. Again, everybody will pay attention. What you have to do? You have to draw a big rectangle. Heading, bill of exchange, stamp, name and address of drawer, Mr. Prakash Rao, 648A Coral Plaza, SB Road, Pune. Date is 3rd June 2019. Very important. 3rd June 2019. Amount in figures in small bracket, rupees 44,500. What is the period of the bill? 3 months after date, pay to me or my order the sum of rupees 44,500 only for the value received. SD Prakash Rao. To Rahul Dev, 236 Rajapur Road, Jalgaon. Accepted by Mr. Rahul Dev, dated 7 June 2019. Now the format which we had drawn. How the marks will be allocated: half mark for the stamp, half mark for the address and name of the drawer, half mark for amount in figures, 1 mark for the body, half of mark for all the things which you have mentioned. Means each and every thing is important in this format of the bill of exchange for 5 marks. You have to learn it, by heart it, and note it down in your notebook. Now we come to illustration 2. Format of a bill of exchange, that is after date bill with general acceptance. यहाँ पर कौन से words दिए हैं? After date, and pay's name is also given. From the following details, prepare a format of a bill of exchange. Drawer's name and address. Who is the drawer here? Mr. Mukund Desai. Number 14, Heritage Heights, Nagpur. Drawings name and address: Mr. Yogesh Tilak, Narayan Pet, Pune. Amount of the bill is rupees 30,000. Amount of the bill is rupees 30,000. Period of the bill is 90 days. Now the period of the bill is given in 90 days, 90. Before it was 3 months. See this thing, very important. Date of bill is 16 July 2019. Date of acceptance of the bill is 20th July 2019. Pay's name is Shravan Dave Panvel. Again, the same way we have to draw the format. The outline is a rectangle, big rectangle. Beginning will be bill of exchange, stamp, name and address of the drawer, Mr. Mukund Desai, number 14, Heritage Heights, Nagpur. Dated is 16 July 2019. Amount of the bill is rupees 30,000. Now, what is the period of the bill? 90 days. NINETY. Note it down. 90 days after date, pay to Shravan Dave Panvel or his order. When the name and address of the payee is given, write down the name and address of the payee, and after that, or his order. What you have to write? Or his order, the sum of rupees 30,000 only for the value received. Once again, I'll repeat. 90 days after date, NINETY. Most of the students write NINTY, which is wrong. NINETY. 90 days after date, pay to Shravan Dave Panvel or his order the sum of rupees 30,000 only for the value received. Who is the drawer? SD, Mr. Mukund Desai. What is the name and address of the drawee? To Mr. Yogendra Tilak, Narayan Pet, Amravati. Who accepts the bill? Drawee. That is Yogendra Tilak. Accepted, Mr. Yogendra Tilak. Date 20th July 2019. Everybody has to draw this bill of exchange in the notebook. Very important. After studying after date bill of exchange, we come to after sight bill. What is after sight bill of exchange? In this bill, what words will be written? After sight. After sight. Underline it. Now see the problem here. Question. Anuratha Patil, Patil, 37A ICC Towers, Goregaon, Mumbai, drew a bill on 23rd January 2020 for rupees 57,450. Bill was drawn for 2 months after sight. On Shanti Vishwakarma, number 43, Bhosle Nagar, Solapur, payable to Sham Kala Kate, Nasik. The bill was accepted on 27 January 2020. Now from these details, after sight bill will be drawn. Same way, bill of exchange, stamp, Anuradha Patil, 37A, ICC Towers, Goregaon, Mumbai, dated 23rd January 2020. Amount in figures is 50,450 rupees. Very important. The body of the bill. What is the period? 2 months. TWO. 2 months after sight, paid to Sham Kala Kate, Nasik, or her order. Payee is Shyam Kala Kate of Nasik, or her order a sum of rupees 57,450 only for the value received. Once again, I'll repeat. 2 months after sight, pay to Sham Kala Kate, Nasik, or her order a sum of rupees 57,450 only for the value received. Signed by Anuradha Patil. 2. Who is the drawee? Shanti Vishwakarma, number 43, Bhosale Nagar, Solapur. Who accepts the bill? Drawee SD Shanti Vishwakarma, dated 27 January 2020. I hope that everybody has understood general acceptance, after date acceptance, and after sight. When the words after date and after sight are mentioned, you have to state those words in the bill. Amount in figures and words. Amount in figures you have to specify in the bracket. Then in the body of the bill, you have to write down the amount in the words, signature of the drawer, name and address of the drawee, accepted by the drawee, and the date of acceptance is very, very important. Then only you will get full 5 marks here. If you make any mistake, the mark will be deducted. Now, one more discussion for the day is qualified acceptance as to amount. Qualified acceptance as to amount. Prepare a bill of exchange. Mr. Amol Sane, 42, Gangadham, MG Road, Ratnagiri, draws a 45 days bill on Mrs. Sagarika Mane, 345, Kumthekar Road, Pune, for rupees 18,750 on 1st March 2020, which was accepted on 4th March 2020 for rupees 15,000 only by Mrs. Sagarika Mane. Very important. यहाँ पर क्या हुआ है, अमाउंट भी चेंज हो गया है और डेट भी चेंज हो गया है. 45 डेज का बिल है, ड्रॉवर ने ड्रॉ किया है, ड्रॉवी ने एक्सेप्ट किया है, लेकिन अमाउंट भी चेंज किया है और डेट भी चेंज किया है. सेम वे वी विल स्टार्ट. स्टैम्प, नेम एंड एड्रेस ऑफ द ड्रॉवर, Mr. Amol Sane, 42, Gangadham, MG Road, Ratnagiri, dated 1st March 2020. Amount in figures is 18,750. 45 days after date. कितने डेज का बिल है? 45 days after date. Pay to me or my order. Underline. यहाँ पर जो ड्रॉवर है वह he himself is the payee. यहाँ पर पेई का नाम और एड्रेस नहीं दिया है, तो ड्रॉवर क्या लिखेगा? Pay to me or my order a sum of rupees 18,750 only for the value received. For the value received. SD Amol Sane to Mrs. Sagarika Mane, 345 Kumthekar Road, Pune. Name and address of the drawee. Now drawee accepts the bill for rupees 15,000 only. For how much amount the bill is drawn for? 18,750. 18,750. लेकिन एक्सेप्टेंस कितने के लिए हुआ है? 15,000 के लिए. किसने एक्सेप्ट किया? सागरिका माने ने. Dated 4th March 2020. Date of drawing the bill is 1st March, but date of acceptance is 4th March 2020. तो यहाँ पर अमाउंट भी चेंज हुआ है और डेट भी चेंज हुआ है. तो this becomes qualified acceptance as to date and amount. Date and amount. Therefore, this becomes very important. So we have studied the general acceptance and qualified acceptance. after date bill and after sight bill. जो भी एक्सेप्टेंस ड्रॉवी करेगा वो स्पेसिफाई करना होगा उसे बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज में एक्सेप्टेड वर्ड्स के नीचे. Then only we can say that the bill of exchange is fully done. I hope that everybody will understand all these 4 bills of exchange properly for the day. Make a note of it, understand it, learn it. The same thing may come in the exam also. Therefore, this becomes very important for your 5 marks in your board exams. With this, we end the lecture for the day. Everybody complete the notes, and later on I'll discuss about the honor of a bill of exchange and dishonor of a bill of exchange. Step by step, we will go in for this topic, and each and every word has to be understood by the students. Thank you very much for attending the lecture.